Two 4090s, all gold fittings, 36 fans, all inside of this one case. You already know this build is going to be over the top. But we aren't stopping there. For processor, we went with the brand new 7950X3D from Ryzen. And after 128 gigs of Trident Z DDR5 RAM are installed, it's on to 10 terabytes of storage. Once this gorgeous gold CPU block from EK is installed, our X670E motherboard is good to go in the chassis. After we get the mainboard installed, let's check out these super convenient fan trays that come in the case, which will make installing 4 of these massive radiators, all maxed out in push-pull configuration, a breeze. Once we get the fan situated, we can start the water cooling process. To kick that off, we'll be mounting 2 of these quantum kinetic reservoirs with the help of a drill. Next up is my favorite part, the gold fittings. These are what's going to tie the build's black and gold theme together perfectly. After the fittings and cables are installed, it's time to block both of these 4090s. One's a solid black and the other with an active backplate. We'll get both of these seated into the system, and before moving on to our tubing runs, I have to say this is the craziest coolant we've ever used. Completely black and UV reactive. So if you think this computer's already insane, wait till you see it under the black light.